My name is Christine, if you don't know. I'm glad that you're here. I wanted to share my budget-friendly makeup things that I use all the time. And I just think that you guys don't really have to spend a lot of money to look really pretty. So I just wanted to share it with you. So if you want to see that, just stick around and we can hang out. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to talk about was beauty tools. So I found these and they're from Dollar Tree. $1. I use them every single day. I curl my eyelashes with them. Then at Dollar Tree they also have these. They are just detail scissors, $1. I use this. I get a wicked hair over here on my eyebrow. Other hairs, maybe, where you don't want them, Or if you want to trim your eyelashes. I don't wear fake eyelashes. I don't know how to put them on. Every time I put them on, it doesn't look right. So, but you can use that for trimming your eyelashes. Brushes. I have all different types of brushes. I mean, I have high end, low end, whatever. But you could get decent brushes at Dollar Tree or Walmart. This is, I think, this is Wet and Wild. This came in a Profusion palette. This came from Michaels. I used my eyeliner brush. It's from Michaels, just as a paintbrush that I have bought. I just went in there, I looked at paintbrushes, and I used that. Then, let's see, the next thing, where should I go? I use Wet and Wild Photo Focus as my foundation. I find it really good. It's not focusing. I think it's really nice. I've tried both. I've tried this one and the Dewy. I prefer this one. And then on top of that, I'll dust this, which you can find. Well, the Wet n Wild you can find anywhere. This you can find at Dollar Tree, $1. I use that. Big brush all over. If you're an older lady, I do not put any powder underneath my eyes whatsoever because it makes me look like I'm ancient. I don't know what happens, but I look like a prune after I put it on, so I don't do that. I don't touch my under eyes at all. Everybody can bake. They can do whatever they want. I can't. It makes me look old. Everybody says, "Are you tired today?" when I do that. So I stopped doing that about, 10 years ago. I don't do that anymore. So $1, you can get that. Then let's see, concealer. I use the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect, whatever it is. I use this. I take it and I just put a dot here and a dot here, and then I smooth it out. I really stay away from here because as you get older, you get these lines and you really don't want a lot of stuff there. And also, I forgot to tell you, when I put on my makeup, I put on all my moisturizer. As it's wet, I take my foundation and I take my concealer and I put it all on. And I don't use sponges. I don't use brushes. I find my hands are the best tools to get all of this in. It doesn't waste any product. I just find it so much easier to just apply everything and then put everything and rub everything in with my hands. And you have so much more control, and it warms up the product and it goes into your skin. I don't like to look like I cake on my makeup. I like to look very natural. I want you to be able to see my natural skin underneath, but I just want to look pretty and natural with a little bit of hint of makeup. So that's what I use. Then let's see. I use eyebrow whatever the hell this is. Eyebrow gel that you put on your eyebrows. I put it underneath my eye. And then I take eyeshadow and I just dust it on top of that. Or I'll just use this and I'll use it and it doesn't move. This is the best secret that I've ever had. This is amazing. Then, let's work. Dollar Tree, Color Mates blush. I use that every single day. This is what, Sun-Kissed Tan, I use on a daily basis. Every single day I use that. I use that as blush. Then I use Milani's blush. What is this called? Rose d'Or? I don't know. I'm probably butchering that. I use this in the crease of my eye. And it's just so pretty. It gives you like a nice touch of like a little bit of you know, a glimmer. And it just makes it look so pretty. I love this. Absolutely love this. Then I use, let's see, Wet and Wild. I use that. The bronzer. I put that on the side of my face, just here. Maybe I'll sun-kissed it here, but not really because it has too much of a shine and it makes all your pores open. So, you know, if I do get it there, you know, which the Color Mates blush doesn't have that frosted look or whatever. I don't know. I'm not a makeup artist. Whatever that is. Look, just take that and blot it on top of it just softly with a little brush and it'll get rid of your pores. It'll kind of like get rid of it magically. Let's see what else. We talked about that. Then I use Perfusion palettes. I love them. This is the blush palette, but I use it as my eyeshadow. This is a new one. I have another one that I use. I didn't want to show you like the butchered up one. This I use as an eyeshadow like right here. And it's like such a natural, nice color, neutral. And then I'll use this one as the crease if I don't want to use the Milani. Or if I want it a little bit deeper, I'll use that one. But like, these are like $5. This is Blush and Glow. I have another one, but I ripped it apart. All I have is just the bottom. I don't have the cover on it anymore, so I really don't want to show. Well, I can show you, but this one I love. Look, I mean, I killed it. But this one is the one that I use all the time. And I usually take this like lighter frosted, it's like a very pale pinkish nude. And I put that right in there, right on my eyebrow bone. I wish I could show you all the makeup that I ripped apart because I take all the covers off. I can't stand that. I just throw it in the drawer. This way I don't have to open and close the lids. But, I mean, this one, you could probably use that. This color right here. You could use that. It's like a light pink frosted nude color. And you just put it in the highlight up here. And then, let's see what else. I think the most I spent on my money is mascara. Mascara is like the one that I do spend the most money on. I use Lash Paradise and I use the waterproof mascara first. And I also trim my brush because I don't know, I cannot use a huge brush, so I like taper it down at the tip so this way I don't get it all over the top of my eyelid. So yeah, so I taper that down. So like it's a little bit tapered down. But I use waterproof mascara first because when you curl your eyelashes and you use waterproof mascara first, the curl stays. Then I go in with the telescopic. Now it does have they do have waterproof in the telescopic, but I find that the L'Oreal, this one first, you take this, you get a lot on your eyelashes, then you go in with this one, the telescopic, and this is like regular, it's not waterproof, and you just use it and it separates your eyelashes so they look long and beautiful. And then I also use this is why I get this all the time, because I do the bottom lashes, and this way it doesn't go and like get all dots here, because then if that happens, or if you get any of the dots up there or down here, I go in with this. It's like a little rubber eraser brush. I don't know what it is. I had gotten it at like Ocean Job or I don't know, one of those stores. And like this thing is just amazing. You let it dry and then you just rub it off. And it's like a little eraser. I don't know what it is, but it's great. And then, oh my God, I've used really high-end eyeliner. And this is my go-tos. My go-tos, I can't say enough about this. I've used really expensive eyeliner. $1 at Dollar Tree. This is the matte one. This one is the regular one. It gives a little bit of a shine. If you don't like the shine, but as it's wet, go over it with a little black eyeshadow, and it'll like dull it down, and it'll matte it out. That's what I've done. I mean, the shine that it gives off, it really doesn't bother me as much. I don't really care. Then, sticking at Dollar Tree also, I love these. Wet and Wild. This one is Brandy Wine, the lip liner. I don't know. It's not focusing. I'm not good at this. See? I'm definitely not a makeup guru person. I have no idea what I'm doing with the camera either. So I use this to line my lip. None of your lipstick runs over it. It's amazing. And then this one I just started using. I usually use Color Mates, but they don't have it. I haven't found it there. This one is really pretty. If you want like a natural looking lip, like a nude lip, but not like nude that you look like a corpse, this one's really nice, and it's called Nude, and it's the chunky, and it's $1. $1. If you don't want to go with that and you want a lipstick, still dollar friendly. Under $1 actually. Wet and Wild at Walmart. I think it was 70 cents. This and this is what I'm wearing right now, and I absolutely love it. It's creamy. It's just amazing. I love it. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. It's Profusion and it's metallics. Oh my god, I use this like all the time. I'll use the black. I'll use this color. I use that up here to like highlight just in the corner and like coming in a little bit, and you know, it just makes a little sparkle on your eye. It like brightens up your eye. And then I also got these other ones, the Wanderlust and the Confidence. Yeah, so you really don't have to spend a lot of money. I got them at Target at Christmas time when like they were on clearance. So see, save you more money. Christmas time, after Christmas. So, and then last, while we're staying on beauty, and I showed you like tools and stuff like that. I mean, like, you know, I don't know. I also wanted to show you nails. Like, this is amazing also. $1 at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, $1. I use these all the time. I used to be a nail artist, and I don't do them anymore. $1, that's it. And $1, Dollar Tree. I use the gel. You have so much control over it. You put your nails on. These puppies do not pop off. They don't like, they're just amazing. You use this glue and you use those fake nails, $1. Do you know how much money I've wasted on nail glue? Like $20 a bottle just to put nails on? I couldn't believe how much money I was wasting on nail glue. $1, you get 3, and you have the cover, so you cover it and you use it over and over and over and over and over. I can't even tell you how many nail sets you can use with these 3 tubes. So I just want to say thank you for coming to my channel, and I hope that I can, you know, help you save some money. And, you know, if you don't want to spend a lot of money on makeup, or if you don't have a lot of money to spend on makeup, you know, these are my alternatives. You know, I was a single mom at one point, and, you know, I didn't have enough money to spend, you know, on makeup. So, you know, I had to find alternatives to, you know, what I needed from, you know, a pretty look that I wanted to get. I wanted to achieve this, you know, beautiful look, but I didn't have enough money to spend. So this is when I found all these little things that, you know, made me save money on makeup. Well, I hope that I helped you, and thank you again for coming. So you take care, and bye for now.